Letter L. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Welcome to Ken's Kids channel.
Letter L. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Yahoo!
Letter L. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Uppercase L and lowercase l. Big letter L and small letter l. L. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's write the letter L. Now we begin with the big letter L. Let's make a standing line. Start at the top and go down to the bottom line. Let's make a sleeping line going to the right. Now let's write the small letter L. Start at the top and straight down to the bottom line. Well done! Now you know how to write the letter L. Well done, kids! Kids, let's do it one more time. Start at the top and go down to the bottom line. Let's make a sleeping line going to the right. Now let's write the small letter L. Start at the top and straight down to the bottom line. Well done! Well done, kids! What is the sound of letter L? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now your turn, kids. Great job! Let's make the letter L sound. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Say ooh, ooh, ooh. Excellent! L is for lion. Ooh, ooh, lion. Ooh, ooh, lion.
Wow!
L is for lamb. Ooh, ooh, lamb. Ooh, ooh, lamb.
Cool!
L is for leaf. Ooh, ooh, leaf. Ooh, ooh, leaf. L is for ladybug. Ooh, ooh, ladybug. Ooh, ooh, ladybug.
Hooray!
L is for lamp. Ooh, ooh, lamp. Ooh, ooh, lamp.
Wow!
L is for lollipop. Ooh, ooh, lollipop. Ooh, ooh, lollipop.
Cool!
L is for lemon. Ooh, ooh, lemon. Ooh, ooh, lemon. L is for lobster. Ooh, ooh, lobster. Ooh, ooh, lobster. Well done!
Hooray!
We learned so much today.
Hooray!
Subscribe for more reading videos.
Yahoo!